Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Are your sinuses making your life miserable? Was the last time you could breathe properly when you were 8 years old? If you suffer from sinus headaches, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. Imagine how much better your day will be without the headaches. Let's get started. Massage your hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage the side of your head up and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Rub strongly so you will feel the tension at the side of your head. 5. Your forehead 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage strong enough so that you feel the friction. 4, 5. Massage your eyes sideways 1, 2, 3. Use the middle of your palm. You will feel the jelly texture of your eyes. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace and blink firmly. 4, 5. Place both hands on the side of your ears. Push it in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push hard so that you feel a suction sensation. 3, 4, 5. Both fingers. Massage your nose downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in and open your mouth wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your mouth as wide as you can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in and stick your tongue out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will need to extend your tongue all the way out until you feel the tension. 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. Right finger on your right nostrils and breathe out through your left nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Blow your nose as hard as you can. 3, 4, 5. Left finger on your left nostrils and breathe out through your right nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both fingers push into your nose and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Now breathe out through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Blow your nose as hard as you can. 3, 4, 5. Place your hands on your eyes and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down.